Do you hear that? It's the tax man knocking on your door as tax season comes to a close. We have the best-selling author and small business tax expert Barbara Weltman joining us to help simplify some tax tips to ensure success this year. Good morning.
Good morning.
All right. I love that we have smiles on, but nobody likes to talk about tax season, certainly when it's pretty much into the season now. So that means we need to get them done if you haven't already, right?
That's right, but don't panic, because if you can't get your tax return in by April 15th, just ask for an automatic extension. The IRS will give it to you, and then you'll have until October 15th to file. But make sure to pay what you think you owe to avoid or minimize underpayment penalties. And today, since most individuals and the majority of business owners use paid professionals, get that information to your tax pro now. Dell C2665 DNF color multifunction printer features the Dell Document Hub so that you can scan in your tax receipts, print, and share the information across cloud platforms with your accountant or anyone else. This is designed for home offices and small businesses. It simplifies sharing and management of files starting at $599.99 on Dell.com.
Not bad. All right. Well, and when do you recommend going to a professional or trying to do it yourself at home? I mean, at this point, it's kind of late. What do you do?
Well, it depends on your personal situation, how much time you can devote to taxes, how simple or complex your situation is, but it's never too late to turn to a professional if you need help. Don't wait. All
right. Well, is there any red flags that are out there that'll make you or make somebody be audited? How do you avoid audits?
Well, that's a great question. You don't want to put up audit red flags, even though audit rates are very low. So don't, for example, omit income that's already been reported to the IRS on 1099s and K-1s, or fail to apply limitations such as the 50% limit on business meals and entertainment costs. And I think the best protection you can have is creating great records and protecting them. So, for example, Carbonite lets you back up your files automatically off-site and are available remotely for your accountant or you. You can back up from your computer servers, NAS devices, and the fee is $60 a year for individuals, $270 a year for businesses. The information is encrypted and secure at Carbonite.com.
Well, and as you know, tax laws and everything, they're changing constantly. Anything we need to know about specifically for this year as we go to file?
Well, there are many tax changes, some favorable, some not so favorable. For example, this year there's a new simplified home office deduction that will be helpful to the more than 50% of small businesses that operate from home. But on the flip side, successful taxpayers are going to pay an additional Medicare tax on earned income and net investment income. So you want to know what the new rules are. There are opportunities that you can take advantage of, and you're going to find all of this in the J.K. Lasser tax guides.
All right, awesome. And then anywhere you would want to send us online for all this great information you shared with us?
Sure. Go to barbaraweltman.com.
Okay, Barbara, thank you so much. Happy tax season, I guess.
Thank you.
All right, we'll put all that info on our website so it's easy for you to find, foxformorningblend.com. And one last check in our Fox forecast, and we'll be right back.